Every year, 480,000 Americans die prematurely due to smoking or secondhand smoke. Tobaccofree.gov. This accounts for 1 in 5 deaths in the United States. Smoking is not only harmful to you, but others around you who are subject to your toxic smoke. Tonight, I'm going to convince you that smoking is harmful and hopefully convince you to kick the nasty habit. I will achieve this by providing you facts about the dangers of smoking and the harm it does to your body. American Cancer Society states that smoking kills more Americans than alcohol, car accidents, HIV, guns, illegal drugs combined. Medical News Today states that smoking shortens the life of males by up to 12 years and females by 11 years. Medical News Today also states that smoking causes damage to almost every organ in your body and is directly related to numerous diseases. Some of the organs that are affected by smoking include your brain, your lungs, and your heart, all of which are vital for your survival. Some of the diseases that are associated with smoking include cancer, COPD, and diabetes. Smoking is linked to 87% of lung cancer deaths. MediLinePlus.gov. Most people don't associate diabetes and smoking. You're more likely to associate diabetes with sugar and sweets. But the Mayo Clinic states that people who smoke just 20 cigarettes a day are twice as likely to become diabetic. The American Cancer Society says that smoking is the #1 preventable death in America, and that people who continue to smoke, 50% of them will die of a smoking-related disease. Now, if these horrid examples that I've given you tonight don't make you want to quit, then hopefully some of these benefits of quitting smoking will help make your decision. Smokefree.gov states that 20 minutes of not smoking, your heart rate and pressure drops to normal. 12 hours after not smoking, carbon monoxide levels drop to normal. 2 to 3 weeks after not smoking, your circulation and lung function improve. 1 to 9 months, you cough less and can breathe better. Your coronary heart disease is cut in half after one year. Between 2 and 5 years of quitting smoking, your risk of mouth, throat, esophagus, and bladder cancer is cut in half. And your risk of having a stroke is now the same as a non-smoker. 10 years after quitting smoking, your chances of dying of cancer is cut in half. Your risk of coronary heart disease is equal to a non-smoker after 15 years of quitting smoking. Other benefits of quitting smoking is you'll smell and taste better. Quitting reduces your belly fat and lowers your risk of diabetes. Your immune system will strengthen and you'll be sick less. Your muscle and your bones will become stronger. Women who quit smoking, their estrogen levels will return to normal and their chances of having a healthy pregnancy increases. Men who quit smoking reduce their chances of getting erectile dysfunction. Secondhand smoke is just as bad as smoking a cigarette. There are two types of secondhand smoke: mainstream and side stream. Mainstream is the smoke that smokers exhale. Side stream smoke is the smoke that rolls off the tip of a lit cigarette. Side stream smoke is more dangerous than mainstream smoke because it has a higher concentration of cancer-causing chemicals. Side stream smoke also has smaller particles that makes it easier to get into your lungs and into your body cells. People who breathe secondhand smoke are ingesting the same cancer-causing chemicals that a smoker inhales. Even the people who have never smoked a cigarette in their life can get cancer and other diseases from secondhand smoke. Kids who breathe secondhand smoke are more likely to get sick, have more lung and ear infections, are more likely to cough, wheeze, and have shortness of breath. Smoking is a choice. And I'm sure many of you smokers are going to say that it's your life, you'll do what you want, or you're only hurting yourself. The thing is, you're not only hurting yourself. You're hurting others around you who breathe your secondhand smoke. Your life is shortened so your family doesn't have you for as long as they want. Quitting smoking not only benefits yourself, but it also benefits your loved ones who want you there for as long as they possibly can. Thank you.